Samsung is gearing up to unveil its latest flagship smartphone in just under 2 months. While there have been some early leaks about the phone, suggesting improvements such as increased RAM, a recent rumor has cast doubt on these claims. According to a reliable source, Ice Universe, the standard Galaxy S24 is expected to come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it won't be possible to upgrade it, even with a more expensive version. The Galaxy S24 Plus, on the other hand, will offer a 12 gigabytes RAM option, but its base model will still have 8 gigabytes of RAM. The rumor also indicates that the starting model of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have 8 gigabytes of RAM, with a higher tier model featuring 12 gigabytes of RAM. If this information holds true, it could pose a challenge for Samsung's reputation, as consumers may not be pleased with the company's decision to stick with lower RAM capacities for its flagship phones for 4 consecutive years. This becomes more concerning because these phones are expected to feature on-device AI, which requires ample memory. The situation is exacerbated when compared to Android phones from other brands, which offer 16 gigabytes or even 24 gigabytes of RAM, making Samsung appear to be cutting corners. In a positive development, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and a 24 Ultra have recently received certification in India, Vietnam, and now the US, a month ahead of their official launch. This FCC certification confirms that the phones meet connectivity and radiation level requirements. These devices will be available globally in regions such as Africa, Australia, Europe, and Latin America. It's worth noting that the global versions of the S24 and a 24 Plus will feature the Exynos 2400 processor, while the versions in Canada, China, and the US will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The S24 Ultra is expected to sport the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip worldwide. So if you prefer the Snapdragon chipset over Exynos, you might want to opt for the top-tier S24 model. Are you excited about the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, take care.